Welcome to my honest review of TradeStation, where I'm going to give you an in-depth look at this popular brokerage platform. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this review will break down all the key elements of the service to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. So, what makes TradeStation stand out? First, it's known for providing powerful trading tools, including advanced charting, backtesting, and real-time data feeds. These features can be game changers for traders who want more than just a basic brokerage. You'll find options for equities, futures, options, and cryptocurrency trading all in one place, making it versatile for different types of traders. However, this advanced functionality can also be overwhelming for beginners who may find the platform's interface complex. TradeStation also offers commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs, which is a major selling point for cost-conscious investors. But it's worth noting the fees for futures, options, and data subscriptions can add up quickly, so be sure to assess whether the additional tools are worth the cost. Now, let's talk about customer service. While TradeStation offers a variety of support options, including phone and chat support, some users have reported delays in resolving issues. This could be a potential downside, especially if you encounter a time-sensitive problem. Midway through, I want to quickly touch on a modern trading solution. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Another area where TradeStation excels is in customization. You can tailor your platform layout and set up personalized watch lists to keep an eye on the markets and assets that matter to you. It also has strong mobile and desktop app experiences, allowing traders to stay connected and trade on the go. However, the learning curve can be steep for those who aren't familiar with technical analysis tools. For those who are, TradeStation is a powerful ally that can make executing trades fast and seamless. Additionally, new traders can make use of TradeStation's educational resources, but they are less robust compared to other platforms that specialize in beginner education. In terms of security, TradeStation is regulated by FINRA and the SEC, ensuring a high level of oversight. Your funds are also insured, which adds a layer of confidence when using the platform. Now that you've heard the details, you should have a clearer idea if TradeStation is the right brokerage for you. If you're looking to copy the trades of experienced traders and replicate the success of millionaires, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more content like this.